In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can verify your phone number on Discord in just a few minutes. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the Discord app on your device. And what you're going to do is swipe to the left to open up your server view and then go ahead and select your profile icon down in the bottom right. From here, tap on that gear icon up in the top right and you're going to see a bunch of different settings that look something like this. What you're going to want to do is select account up at the very top and then scroll down a little bit and you're going to see an option for phone number. Go ahead and select that. Now, if you haven't added your phone number yet, just enter in your number here or use autofill if available. And make sure your country code is correct and then tap next. And Discord is going to run a quick I'm human check. After that, you'll receive a text message with a verification code and then simply enter in that code and then verify. And now you'll be asked to enter in your Discord password to confirm. It is a whole process for some reason. But once that is done, your phone number is going to be officially verified and you'll be good to go. If you didn't receive the text, check your filtered messages or block senders. Sometimes the code does get filtered there by your carrier. But that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.